Hello guys, this is Srihari. Welcome back to the TechCareerHubs. As part of this MLOps series, this is the day 2. In today's video, we will discuss about components of MLOps, evaluation of MLOps, why we need MLOps, and main phases of MLOps and principles of MLOps, and final one is the life cycle of MLOps. We'll discuss one by one in today's video.
MLOps. MLOps means machine learning o- operations. It is when we applied the DevOps principles in machine learning models. Machine learning systems is known as MLOps. This MLOps main aim is to provide high availability of production level machine learning solutions in an automation automated and repeatable manner repeatable manner. This MLOps has three continuous disciplines, that is, first one is machine learning, second one data engineering, third one is DevOps. These three combination is equal to MLOps. See here. Here mainly the DevOps principles apply to the machine learning of systems for continuous as build and deploying a testing for data engineering model data engineering models for data and machine learning models. And also MLOps job is not only deployed to the models but also continuously automate, monitor and manage and update at every step of ML systems. Is this important? Yes. Why? In these days we have the lot of data. In these AI days we have lot of information. We need to we need to update every step in ML of systems. ఎవరు చేస్తారు ఈ వర్క్ అంతా? ML engineer, MLOps engineer do this all things. Now we'll discuss third one, that is MLOps components. These MLOps components has divided into two types. That is, first one, model development components. Second one is the operation components. These data analysis and data preparation Future engineering, model training, and model analysis and evaluation, these all parties come under the model development session. Here is here is one part of job is done here. Next one is the second operation for process deploying deployment, CI/CD, scheduling, metadata management, training and the monitoring, infrastructure, and model performance analysis. These all is coming in the operation components session. Now we'll discuss about why MLOps is boom. Next one, evaluation of MLOps. In 2015, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science, these all peak with the rise of number of data and Python libraries with vast information along with deep learning and algorithms along this neural networks. దీంతో మొత్తం ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మొత్తం గ్యాదర్ అయింది కానీ మోడల్స్ వచ్చేసి ప్రొడక్షన్ లెవెల్లో బిల్డ్ చేయలేకపోయినరు. ప్రొడక్షన్ లెవెల్ is not built. After that, in 2018 to 19, the popularity of containerization, that is Docker and Kubernetes, were used to deploy AML models. Now, ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది evaluation. This era was termed as the MLOps gold rush age. As many ML models deployment platforms like here a data robot, a clear ML, SageMaker by Amazon, Kubeflow, GCP, ఇవి మొత్తం ఇప్పుడు బిల్డ్ అయినాయి విత్ హోల్ ML system iteration. These platforms is provide the complete automation through the data analysis, model creation, and model deployment, and maintain the maintenance and monitoring. This complete end-to-end is provided by these monitors. N- Now we will discuss why we need MLOps. As per according to deep learning AI, deep learning AI reports, 18% of companies they take to build 90 days in a year to build their ML models to deploy, but not in production. But not in production. 50% of companies build build their models less than 90 days. Less than 90 days. But not in production level. Not production level. As per reports, as per reports, only 22% of companies they build and deployed ML solutions in production level. To to deploy the machine learning solutions in production is difficult. Yes, 100% it's difficult. First one, the model may not work for with real world data. Second one, data keeps changing over time. Third one, different teams like data scientists, developers, and operation needs to work together. It's hard to track and update and monitor the many models. For this, what is the solution for this all? That is ML ops. The solution is ML ops, the process of CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous development, along with continuous training, training methods from DevOps to the machine learning solutions. Here, automating the ML workflows from data to deployment. Second one, making model updates and the monitoring as erasers, saving time and resources, improve model quality and reliability. In short, MLOps create as assembly line for ML projects, making the whole process faster, smoother, and more organized. Now we'll discuss understanding the main phases of MLOps. Here is divided into three phases. First one is the model designing phases. Designing phase. Second one, model development phase. Third one, operation phases. ఇక్కడ ఈ డిజైనింగ్ phase లో మన మెయిన్ గోల్ ఈజ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ది బిజినెస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అండ్ అనాలిసిస్ ది డేటా అండ్ ప్లాన్ హౌ మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ కెన్ సాల్వ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. Steps: identify and prioritize the ML use cases, studying availability data from model training, defining all the functions and the non-functional requirements. Fourth one, designing the ML system architecture and model surviving strategies, creating a test plan to future model. These plans build a strong foundation for the effective and user-friendly machine learning. What is this all? Don't confuse God. Guys, we'll discuss one by one these later videos. And don't think about this what is all. Just listen now. Second one is the model development. This focus is building and testing the ML models. Here, developing a proof of concept to the if the model is works for the problem or not. Second one, performing the data engineering and the model training and coding, tuning, hyperparameters and the validating the models, selecting the best machine learning algorithm through experiments. And final one is the operations. These operations is the trained the ML model is deployed into the production using DevOps practices like testing, versioning, and the continuous integration, continuous delivery, and testing and training, monitoring model performance and the system health, regular evaluation and the maintenance the model. Don't confuse this all guys. We'll discuss one by one in later videos. We'll discuss and principles of the MLOps. We'll discuss final one is principles of MLOps. These principles of MLOps is divided into the six types. First one is automation. Second one, versioning. Third one, testing. Fourth one, development. Fifth one, monitoring. Sixth one, reproducibility, usability. We'll discuss one by one. Automates. This automation helps to continuous iteration, train and deploy the machine learning models, and automate the reduce errors, improves the productivity and speeds of the time market. For this transforming data, future engineering, data engineering, these all are the high level words. We'll discuss later, guys. Just just read what is this. Second one is the versioning. Ensure the reproducibility for same results every time. And trackability is tracking the changes. Since data, code, and environment can change over time. And versioning help the maintenance consistency and manage the updates. Here reproducibility means to provide same results in different models in different systems in every time. Testing. This testing ensures the data, features, and model and the infrastructure work correctly. It helps detect errors early and maintain the system's quality. Here, data validation, feature creation, unit testing, these all are will discuss later videos. Don't confuse. Deployment. This deployment makes ML models ready for the real world use cases. Using the tools like feature stores, containerization, experiment tracking to ensure the stability. Deployment should support different environments, that is on premises or cloud or edge. Fifth one is the monitoring. This monitoring is involves the regular checking the data, code and model and the system performance. It's ensure model remains the accurate and efficient and even conditions changes. These all are the part of the monitoring. And final one is the reproducibility. The reproducibility means being able to recreate the same results from the same input at the any stage of machine learning life cycle. It ensures the consistency between the development and production. These all are the backup data, data versioning, extract metadata. These all come with the reproducibility. Don't confuse. We'll discuss later, guys, for this. And the final one is the MLOps Lifecycle, Machine Learning Operations Life Cycle. Here, up to the point, we discuss the high level workflows of our machine learning application and development. Now we will explore the MLOps life cycle in detail. Here mainly six main steps ఉంటాయి. Six main steps ఉంటాయి. We'll discuss one by one here. First one is business understanding. Second one, data engineering. Third, model development. Fourth one, model evaluation. Fifth, model deployment. Final one, model monitoring and maintenance. Monitoring and maintenance. These all are the machine learning life cycle, a part of 6 steps. We'll discuss first what is a business understanding. ఈ business understanding అంటే first this is the business understanding is the starting problem. This ML project, the goal is clearly understand what is the business wants to and how machine learning can helps to here. First one, understanding the business goals. Understand Understand the business goal. Then define the machine learning models that you should achieve or not. So collect and check data from different to resources. And fourth one is the check if the project is doable or not. These all are the first phase. Second one is the data engineering. This main focus is preparing the data so it's clean and ready for the modeling. For this, select and combine the data from the different sources, choose useful features, balance and data sets, clean the data, create the new features if need, standardize and version the data, split data into the training, validation and testing steps. This all about we'll discuss later videos, guys. First, third one is the model development. ఈ మోడల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ లో మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ మోడల్ బిల్డ్ అండ్ ట్రైన్ చేస్తారు ఇక్కడ. డిసైడ్ హౌ మెజర్స్ మోడల్ క్వాలిటీ, చూస్ ది బెస్ట్ అల్గరిథం, యాడ్ డొమైన్ నాలెడ్జ్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ దిస్ మోడల్స్, ట్రైన్ ది మోడల్స్, use transfer learning if usable, tune parameters to get the better results, validate the document and the and model experiment. This all about we'll discuss in later videos, guys. Don't dis don't confuse about what is this all. Just learn. Sorry, just read about this. After that, model evaluation. Here we test how well the model performs on unseen data. ఇక్కడ చెక్ ది పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ అండ్ ద reliability evaluation in the results etc. Fifth one is the model deployment. if, when the model is put into the use into the real world system, this is the main task here. To model performance in the production environment, ensure it fits with the business systems, or deploy the model, track usability with real users, keep track of model versioning. This all. Next, final is the model monitoring and the maintenance. This model must be continuously monitored and updated. See here we see first understand the model, business model. ఈ ఈ- ఇక్కడ మనకు ఫస్ట్ ఈ మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ తో మన ప్రాబ్లమ్ కి సొల్యూషన్ చిక్కుద్దా లేదా. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ డేటా ఇంజనీరింగ్ టీం వచ్చేసి ఈ డేటా మొత్తం గ్యాదర్ చేస్తారు. ఏది ఫ్రమ్ రా డేటా నుంచి డేటా మొత్తం తీసి దాన్ని అనలైజ్ చేసి అండ్ వ్యాలిడేట్ చేస్తాడు. వ్యాలిడేట్ క్లీనింగ్ మొత్తం చేసినాక ఈ డేటా వచ్చేసి ఎవరు డేటా సైంటిస్ట్ ఇస్తాడు. ఈ డేటా సైంటిస్ట్ ఇక్కడ మోడల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ చేస్తాడు. అంటే వా- వాడి ఎవరు డేటా ఇంజనీర్ ఇచ్చిన డేటాతో ఈ డేటా సైంటిస్ట్ ఏది ఈ మోడల్ని ట్రైన్ చేస్తాడు, టెస్ట్ చేస్తాడు. అండ్ మోడల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాడు. ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ ఈజ్ వర్కింగ్ ఫైన్ దెన్ కమ్ టు ద మోడల్ ఎవాల్యుయేషన్. ఈ మోడల్ ఎవాల్యుయేషన్ కూడా జరిగినాక ఇక్కడ ఇది మోడల్ డిప్లాయ్మెంట్కి వస్తుంది. ఈ మోడల్ డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ ఎవరు చేస్తారంటే ఆపరేషన్స్ టీమ్స్, దట్ ఈస్ ఎంఎల్ఆప్స్ ఇంజనీర్. ఇక్కడ దీని తర్వాత దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రొడక్షన్ లెవెల్. మోడల్ డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ అయినాక దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రొడక్షన్ లెవెల్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ కంటిన్యూగా అది మోడల్ని మానిటర్ అండ్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద MLOps లైఫ్ సైకిల్. ఇది కంటిన్యూస్ ప్రాసెస్ గాయస్. సింపుల్, మనకు డెవాప్స్లో ఎలా ఇలా కంటిన్యూ ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటుందో డెవ్ డెవ్ అండ్ ఆప్స్ సేమ్ మనకు మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్లో కూడా కంటిన్యూస్ ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్, డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ operations. These all are, this is a continuous process guys. In next video, finally, thanks guys. In next video we'll discuss infrastructure for MLOps and how to use infra etc. We'll discuss next video, and thank you guys. Don't forget to like and follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.